Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck
When we dry them up, too cold. Now go too deep, you know. Yeah, you have to watch Joe, you know. Our troops, see there? Apple cider vinegar and our troops. Come up right, make them get saturated in the gravy and all of that.
On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, we'll be preparing some chicken sausage stew. Chicken sausage stew. If you get jerk sausages, jerk chicken sausages, you could. I was searching for that, but I just could not get that. So probably if you have some jerk season, I really have like the, you know, them jerk season like the Sauce Boss one, yeah, you can put it with it. I want to say thanks to all my patrons who are making my Patreon page possible. Thank you. If you would like to become a member of my Patreon, check in the description of this video for the link and all other info. Now, for this dish, you're going to need some sausages. Sausage, whether it's pork or what. This is chicken. If you get jerk sausages, fine. If you get even that thing there that they put on the pepperoni, what have you, it's good also. The pepperoni will be beautiful. I have here some carrots. I'm putting some carrots. I have here some green thyme that I have rinsed. I also have some onions and some scallions. You can put where you want. A few pieces of bell peppers. I have also a can. This is the canned one of light red kidney beans. And you know the canned one is pre-cooked. I have here some tomato paste that I'm going to put with it. A little ginger spice. I'm using here some turmeric. And of course my good old basil. Now let's get right to the stove to get this dish going. I have here about 2 tablespoons of oil that has been preheated, and I'm going to put my sausages right in there, and I'm going to bring my heat up on almost to high, but not fully high, because I'm going to be browning up these sausages, you know. So I'm going to get it right up there, browning off the sausages to a point. Now as it reaches a certain point, we're going to be adding the carrots, so we're going to leave them to brown. Get your flame up almost to high and monitor it. In the next clip, you'll see what is happening. So you can see that they're starting to get browned up, but you don't want to get them to get fully brown until you add your carrots. Let them and the carrot now are going to go down there mixing together, because you know the carrots, they take a little time to cook. So now that you have added your carrots, you want to keep turning occasionally, because the aim here now is for the carrots to get almost cooked and the sausages to continue browning. Therefore, you're going to need a wide skillet. Skillet, why I say skillet, you have maybe frying pan about the bottom of it thick, heavy. Because if it's thin, you know they're going to go and start get browning and start all get burn and them not really cook. So this is what is happening inside here. Really pretty, nice motion. Like today is a Thursday. This is a nice little Thursday. You come in from work, you have some sausages in the freezer. What am I going to cook? You just find some sausage, a pack of sausage, and whatever you have. You have some carrot, you have some broccoli, you have some cauliflower. Deal with it on the level. You can't even turn it in a one-pot meal too. So I say, because once you add the broccoli and the cauliflower and then something there one pot, you don't want no staple. But I'm going to have this with some good old white rice. So that is what is happening. Occasionally we're going to go and come back. We're not going to let it get burned and all of that. Looking real nice, looking real good. So in the next clip you'll see what is going to happen. Monitor this. This is a very easy after work go-to. Still on the eye, and you see everything is just coming in nice. Carrots are starting to cook, and the sausages, they have taken this color. But we're going to put in right here, so now we're going to put in with garlic and onions, and we don't have any scallions. We could have some scallions too, but we don't have any. So right here, I'm going to rinse out the onions them. Yeah, if you want to chop them coarse, the duppy them want that. That's why you got them have to get little to look like. Them love that dish here. Yeah, so you have to move yourself around now because the garlic is in there. You just want it flavor up the oil and all of that. You don't want it burned. This is the time to put in your bell peppers. And remember, family, you put where you have, you know. This is what you have in your refrigerator. So you can put anything you want to put with this sausage here right now, because you're making a sausage stew. What is going to turn it into the stew is the red kidney beans. So right now it is time for you to put in your red kidney beans. Just part with a little part. Put it down into the middle, right there. Okay? So it has the liquid coming out of the thing. So you see what happened right there, so? How it look, Dad? Look like you're ready to eat. Yeah, man. So get your flame down a bit now, because we don't want to go on too rampant here right now and all of that. So I'm gonna give it, remember all this time that with the carrots and the thing, you must be doing it with an open pot, you know, for cover it. Cover time no commit. When the cover time is right, I'll tell you. So you lower the flame and you make this juice here out of the red kidney bean. Just take time and gel through the thing and all of them something they cooking down nice. You see the sausage them maintain the color. Yeah. Onion rings them a come out. I kick up rumpus and look bossy on the pot. I go on. If you had some yellow bell peppers or orange, that will be fine. Don't overpower the dish with the bell peppers. They are really, really strong. Let's go slow. Next clip. Now is the time for some tomato paste. I may put in that. Probably a little more. Yeah, that's fine. You're going to work through with the tomato paste now. Even it out in there. Yeah. So you see you have a nice red pretty look, like a come like a stew peas look. You see what I go on down in this, sir? You see it, Dad? Yeah, shoot them up on it now. I don't want them miss it, you know, Dad. Yeah. Alright. So like a little stew peas look. So at this point you want a little hot water just going on. Not a lot. You remember, say if you have your hot water at all times. So you see this thing here start deal with you have like it have a stew peas look. I saw the tomato paste bring it, you know. Yeah. Time now to put in them nice little, you know, them little something here. We might not use the turmeric. We're not gonna bother to use it. Oh, not the turmeric. We're gonna put in, no, it's not turmeric, it's cayenne. This is a little ginger spice, okay? That's a little ginger spice I put there. I'm putting a little cayenne pepper. If you like to eat, I don't know that I go eat, so I can't put too much. Alright. And the good old basil, I want to know, say, me, doctor prescribed basil for me in my cooking. Not a lot, just to get that flavor there. You know, put in a little piece of green thyme. What you want to know, you know, you can add your little seasoning, them of choice, where you use in your cupboard, where you use at home. But do not take time with it. Nobody go too hard. So look here, as with any stew, you see, say it out for dry out. So we part it way to the side and we're going to pour a little more water. Because this is supposed to carry it, you know. So when we're ready for dish up. So look here, this is it. Nice. We're going to taste for a little salt perfection right here. Oh, this look, Dad. Talk to me, no, man. So we are going to taste if we want a little salt. Yes, it would. It really want a little, not a lot. And let me tell you, I start to taste the timing of this thing already, you know. Yeah, so look here now. After we put a little salt, not a lot, so as the sausages, actually, it seems they were not too salty. So that's why. You know, so my sausage, them then salt like a pita, you know. Look at this now. This is such a beauty. So easy, so cool, and all of that. You done see the thing, you know. You done see all the thing mixing around and that nice, pretty stew looking gravy. Yeah, man. Chicken sausage stew and all of that. So now is the time for the covering. Because this thing I got gel down in this stew gravy. On the low, 10 minutes we will return. Okay, now family, this is finished. And I tell you, I just opened the lid. And let me tell you, it is like this thing, let's get our time out, is like, it has the smell of stew peas. You never smell it, Dad? It has the smell of stew peas. We'll turn the flame off. And you know, most people, for them go to for this, a staple would be some white rice. So you see, we have some of the good old white rice on over here, and you have to take out your time as you go along. So you just going spoons on some of this over your white rice. You just have to spoon it on. Make sure you get some of this gravy thing here. Now we're gonna fix up the plate. Don't worry yourself. We soon come back with a finished look for you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it is my chicken sausage stew. All you want on top of this is some hot sauce if you're a person that eats hot sauce, and then your juice of choice, or better yet, the good old water. Thanks for watching. Remember to make sure you subscribe, and when you do check out my videos, if you like them, remember to make sure you leave a thumbs up there. Remember to make sure that you do subscribe before you leave, and then when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell, press the option to the right that says all, and remember, most of all, check in the description for all my info, the Patreon link, PayPal, everything will be there. Remember to be you, do you, most of all. Love you some chicken sausage stew.